Okay, question 2 is as follows. The following trial balance for S. Shinka was prepared by an incompetent bookkeeper. Okay, so we should take time and study the trial balance. So we have got S. Shinka trial balance for the year ending 31st December 2021. So we have got details, debit, credit, kwacha sign and ngwe signs in both columns. Okay, so now we should take keen interest in these transactions that were entered. So what we can do is we are going to first come up with, we draw the frame for the trial balance. So that is the frame for trial balance. Then we'll be asking ourselves each entry, each transaction, if it's how it should be recorded. So let's start with the capital. When we talk about capital, should a capital be debited or credited? The capital should be credited. Okay. Now, when it comes to furnitures, should the furnitures be credited or debited? It should be debited. Okay. Creditors, which is 9,500, should it be credited or debited? It should be credited. Okay, so the 9,500 was well recorded. These two were swapped. Okay, so 32,000 was supposed to be credited for capital, and furniture, which is 28,450, was supposed to be debited. Okay, purchases. Okay, we talk about purchases. Were they supposed to be? Is it purchases? Are they supposed to be debited or credited? They should be debited. So purchases were supposed to be recorded in debit section. Okay. Then drawings should also be debited. Okay, so they should be debited here. Okay. We come to sales. Sales, that is 13,800, should be credited. Rent received should also be credited. Okay, then we said debtors, then these should be debited. Debtors should be debited. Okay, so that is how these should be recorded. Then let's find the totals. Okay, so let's add these which we have come up with. So we are saying 28,000. Sorry, we are saying yes, 28,000 plus 28,450 plus 14,615 plus 3,700 plus 10,700 will give us 57,500. 57,500 kwacha. So when we add 32,200 plus 9,500 plus 13,800 plus 2,000 will also give us 57,500. So 57,500, this is the total. So that is the total of the that's how you okay, let me say that's how the trial balance for Shinka should be like this, the one we have prepared now. So if you have to identify the mistake he made, first he swapped the capital. So capital was supposed to be credited, he made it debited. He also, furniture was supposed to be debited, he made it credited. Okay, so, and as well as purchases and drawings were supposed to be credited, but he was supposed to be debited, but he credited. Then sales as well, where it was supposed to be sales were supposed to be credited, he debited. As well as the rent received was supposed to be credited, he debited it. Then the debtors was well entered, so those were well entered. The only mistakes were made on those I've mentioned. Okay, so basically that's how you prepare the trial balance